Adya's Magic Mic. Yeah, I'm Adya, I'm 10, and this is Our Space. Yes, Our Space, where we talk about things that actually matter to kids and teens, and even parents who are listening along. We talk about real feelings, real questions, and honest answers. And I want you to feel like you're sitting right here with me while we talk. So tell me, have you ever had a feeling that you fully didn't understand but stayed with you the whole day? Because today is a really special episode. We have started a brand new series called The Big Feelings Files. And this series, every episode, we're gonna take one feeling and we're really gonna talk about it. No skipping, no ignoring, just honest, kind conversations. So let's talk about it. Have you ever been in a room full of people, maybe your class, maybe a party, and still felt completely alone? Like everyone else was part of something and just you weren't? Kids, has that ever happened to you? And parents, have you ever felt that way too, even as a grown-up? I have, and I think a lot of us have too. So today, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest feelings that nobody talks about enough. Feeling left out. And by the end of this episode, I want you to feel a little less alone about feeling alone. This is my story, okay? Can I share something with you? Before we talk about your feelings, I think it's only fair if we share mine first. I remember a time at school when a group of my classmates were making plans right in front of me and no one asked me to join. And maybe they didn't mean to leave me out. Maybe they were just excited but didn't notice me. But still, I noticed. Have you ever noticed something like that? That small moment that suddenly feels big inside. I remember feeling kind of invisible. And the tricky part is, I didn't tell anyone. I told myself, it's okay, it's not a big deal. Have you ever done that? Pretend you're fine when you're actually not? Because I did. I kept it inside, and honestly, that didn't help. So today, I want to share things that actually do help, and maybe you can try them too. Okay, so here's something really interesting and I want you to listen closely. Are you listening? I know if you're getting distracted, so come back and listen to this. Scientists actually studied this feeling left out, and guess what they found? When you feel left out, your brain reacts the same way as when you feel physical pain. Yes, the same signals. So kids, if you ever thought, why does this hurt so much? You're not imagining this. And parents, this is important too. That feeling your child has, it's real. And here's another question for you. Why do you think we feel this way? Because humans are actually designed to want to belong. That little voice in your head asks you, am I included? That's your brain trying to protect you. It's not weakness, it's just being human. Okay, now let's make this useful. If you ever feel left out, here are 3 things that you can try. And I want you to think about these. 1. Name it. Just quietly say to yourself, I feel left out right now. Sounds simple, right? But have you ever tried actually naming your feeling? It makes feel smaller and easier to hold. 2. Do something that feels like you. What's your favorite thing that you love to do most? Drawing. No, wait. Dancing. Reading? Or maybe singing is better. I don't know. It's your choice. What makes you feel better? When you do something that you enjoy, you remember something important. You are more than just one moment. 3. Talk to someone you trust. Not to fix it, just to say it. Kids, is there someone that you feel safe talking to? A parent, a friend, a teacher, and parents. Are we creating that space where kids feel safe to say these things? Because when you say a feeling out loud, it becomes softer almost every time. And now, a small moment just for the parents. Hi, I probably know you're listening while doing something else. Maybe driving, maybe cooking. But can I ask you something? The next time your child seems quiet or quite not themselves, instead of asking, what's wrong? Try asking, did you feel left out today? And then just pause. You might be surprised by what they share because sometimes we just need someone to help them name the feeling first. Okay, time for a Magic Mic challenge. And I want everyone listening. No getting distracted. I know if you're distracted. This week, look around you at school, during break time, anywhere. Can you spot someone who looks a little outside? Can I say that? And here's your mission. Can you spot someone who looks little on the outside? And here's your mission. Do one kind thing. Just one. Say hello. Sit next to them and smile. You don't have to become best friends with them. You just have to be the person who noticed. And when you do, come tell me what happened. I really want to hear all your stories. Then please tell me what happened. Leave a comment or DM me or email me at adhyamagicmike@gmail.com. I read every single one and I'd love to hear your story. If you want to be part of my podcast as a guest, parents, or my friends, you know what to do. Thank you so much for being here with me today on Adhya's Magic Mic. If this made you think or feel or helped a little, share it with someone you know who might need it. That's one of the kindest things that you can do. Adhya's Magic Mic is available on Spotify, Apple Music, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And remember, you are not alone, even on the days that it seems like you are. Until we meet again, be kind, keep smiling, keep shining. I'm Adhya. This is Adhya's Magic Mic. See you all soon. Bye everyone. I love you all so much and remember to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell button below. Bye everyone.